guys, I'll be bringing you the Jeopardy template that I am using in my class. So this is the Jeopardy looks like. You can get this one in the website. They are free. There are a lot of them. I just type Jeopardy template, just like that one, and there are hundreds of them that you can choose from. So collectively, this is a question and answer that I use in review. So instead of throwing just the mere questions to the class and let them answer freely, I see to it that it will be a lot of fun, just making it a game for them. So this template, I'll just give you a brief walkthrough. It's just simple. We have 5 categories, and we have, for each categories, we have 5 questions where the students can choose from. For example, student A from team number 1 chose prehistory. This is what you call the category. For example, this question: in the story crane, what does the bird symbolizes? So I make it up that I make sure that they have choices to choose from. A love, be immortality, say happiness, dear respect. So enter. If the answer is correct, then the students will get will draw cards from the deck, and they have to execute this what I call spell. Okay, so this is the spell. This is the twist of the game. So it will not just be a question and answer portion. It just became really a game. So by using the cards, the deck of cards, the game now is combination of a PowerPoint presentation and a deck of playing cards. So you can edit this one. Depends on your subject, whatever subject you are teaching. For example, if you are teaching science, you can simply click this one. Let's have a question of science. What is the center of the solar system? Then you can just simply put choices over here. A, sun, B, moon, D, C, earth, D, mercury. Then for the part of the spells and cards, you may have to print screen the rules that I will be showing here. If B will be given the chance, I will be uploading also the rules on the description part of this YouTube presentation. So, by the way, I will be bringing you to the actual use of this Jeopardy template, which I called cards and spells. I use it on my class regularly. Each time that we have a day or two before the examination, so they can recall our lessons all throughout. So here are my sample actual use of this card game. I hope you enjoy it.